Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla from the Unbiased blog, and today I'm gonna ask you a question. Usually you are the ones asking me a question, but today I'm gonna ask you a question. When you're buying a smartphone, what matters to you the most? Because I have a smartphone that's known for its software, it's known for its safety, it's known for its security. And the phone I'm talking about is the GOMI C7 Note. It's got awards for its software, its UI, and I'm gonna show you around why this phone matters the most. First things first, GOMI C7 Note is the most private smartphone thanks to the award-winning GOMI OS 3.0. GOMI Telecom Equipment Company Limited was awarded with Communication Design Award 2018. With a total of 24 international jury members selected GOMI against 45 participating countries with more than 8600 entries. Now let's unbox the device and see what comes in the box. In the box you get the GOMI C7 Note, a micro USB charger, 3.5mm earphones, SIM pin and the usual documentation. GOMI OS 3.0 makes the C7 Note completely private. With Face ID feature, all your incoming calls and notifications are secure. So you don't need to worry about peeping eyes, as you are the only one who can view an incoming call information, that is caller number and name. With My Key, you can secure the media gallery and show images on your phone to anyone without any fear, as only you can swipe left or right to view other photos and videos. In terms of camera, the phone comes with a 13 plus 5 megapixel dual rear cameras and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. Now let's talk about the rest of the specs. The device comes with a 5.99 inches 18:9 HD plus full screen display, 2.0 GHz octa-core MediaTek processor with an option of 2GB plus 16GB or 3GB plus 32GB variant. You can further extend memory up to 64GB with a micro SD card. The GOMI OS 3.0, the world's most private OS, runs on Android 8.0 Oreo. Priced at Rs 6499 for 2GB plus 16GB and for 7999 for 3GB plus 32GB, the GOMI C7 Note is a great buy if you value security and a smooth performance thanks to the award-winning GOMI OS 3.0. If you wish to win the world's most private smartphone, the GOMI C7 Note, for yourself, then all you have to do is leave a comment below or tweet to us why you should win this phone. Please like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching the Unbiased blog.